The Biafra Dragøn fighter Black Maria has neutralized a Camerøoniân soldiers in Bakassi Peninsula. Things are happening. No be small thing, no. One Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside, send a strong message, give to the public to say they are not backing down in this particular cause. Things are really happening. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balaba Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be small thing. May you try to give this channel a follow in order way to bring you back to back update as they hot. Let's go and look into the Ogbonge news where we get for hand today. But before we go there, don't forget to turn your notification bell so that anytime we upload, you can be the first person to get our updates back to back as they hot. Let's go and look into the Ogbonge news where we get for hand today. No be small thing they happen. Information where they reach our hand right now as we they talk. They say that according to Simon Ekpa, he say that the Dragøn will be Black Maria for inside the border between Biafra and Cameroon. Say for that side, no be kasala don burst for there. Things are really happening. He said that breaking the Biafra Dragøn fighter Maria, Black Maria, has neutralized the terrorist Camerøoniân force. This one they happened today for Bakassi Peninsula, a part of Biafra, which Nigeria allegedly sold into Cameroon during the war. Things are really happening. He said the Biafra fighter in Bakassi Peninsula will increase their security in that area as coming days. However, let's jump into the next Ogbonge news. We'll go put the write-up for here so that you go read them as well. Let's jump into the next Ogbonge news. The message where the Biafra Liberation Army carry come drop. No be small thing, no. We'll get what you want talk today regarding the information where would they get and say things they happen for inside the Olo. But we move watch the video before we can continue.
We must fight this war once and for all and get our freedom, and then build our country to our taste, and our children and our unborn children enjoy their life. Those who will die. Dead na death. Whether you die by accident or you die by bullet, you die, they say you don't die, or you die by sickness. Dead na death. Dead men no talk. Now, or we pretend that one day miracle will take place because there is no miracle. Your pastor have been deceiving you with a slave book. There is nothing like miracle. Life is by processing. By processing. I read computer science, and one thing I learned, that was when my eye actually got opened, that there is nothing like a miracle in life. When they give me the definitions of computer, and the layman say garbage in, garbage out. And then I took my time to examine this machine. And indeed, it is what you type. If you press A, you will see A. If you press B as an input, you will see B in the output. And what you have in the soft copy is what you can get out in the hard copy when you send the information to printer. And say, printer, I want you to get me this piece of information. It is what you give the printer, the printer will produce to you. That is life. You cannot cook draw soup. You go to market and bought everything to cook, and that has to be a draw soup. And you expect to cook. When you cook the draw soup finish, you now have a goosey soup. You tell me if it is possible. You will tell me if it is possible to go to the market to buy things to cook draw soup. When you now prepare the draw soup finish, all of a sudden the soup turn to egusi soup. Nothing like miracle. For those of you that have been expecting miracle to happen, you will wait until you die. You will never see miracle. It is what you put in life that you have. You will have it back. If you do not put anything and you're expecting something, you are a biggest fool. You fold your hand and expect Biafra to just come like that. You need freedom. You are folding your hand and waiting for miracle. Maybe you have been praying for God to send his angel from heaven to come and fight. That will definitely carry you unexpected or unexpectedly. What I'm here to tell you this evening is very simple. I don't want to prolong this broadcast. Earlier you get yourself prepared. I've told you before. Gather weapon. Keep by your side. We are going to choke the bucket of this water. And you know what it means. They are going to come for you. I'm telling you this because of what is happening. What have been happening. Each time they come like this, they know that men on ground is greater than them. And what will come in their mind as a terrorist that they are, as a criminal that they are, they will turn up breaking people's shop. Any civilian they see is a dead person. Any civilian they see is a dead person. These people are criminal. They are terrorists. Now, let me tell you something. I come across news this morning. Ařmy PLO was saying that the government should do something about this internet, and it was giving caution all this internet celebrity who normally carry news. Many of them do share our news, no doubt, and it was giving them warning that government should do something about it. That these people, instead of them to promote the gallant army of Nigeria that are helping these terrorists, they were calling us terrorists and criminal to carry their news. I laugh a lot. I say, look at the same way there are. Soldier was saying, one soldier came up the other day, I think that was last week, say the Nigerians are very stupid. They cannot even give soldier who suffer for them a good compliment where they see them. But look at the mobile of the thing. See how the internet, the whole world, the whole youth. Say, I laugh. Let me tell you something. When these people come to combat the trained soldier, the professional trained soldier like us, Biafra Liberation Army, which they know definitely they cannot combat with us. And immediately they incur so much death. The people that will pay the penalty are the civilian, the innocent citizen of Biafra. That is why we have been telling you to stay away from the combat ground, the battlefield. For those of you who are staying in the area that we have been combating these people, please stay away. Now, this time around, I don't want you to only stay away. I want you to also prepare yourself, prepare your mind, prepare yourself as a soldier, because every inborn Biafra are soldier inborn. That is another message I'm bringing to you this night. It is very painful today that these people broke so many shops on their way going and then pack a lot of people, goods and phones. Very sadly. Very, very sad. Prepare yourself. What we want you to do for us is simple, please. Anywhere you see them, allow them to pass. Immediately then pass. Find big tree. Find a tree. Block the whole road, because we are going to pursue them until we kill each and every one of them. Take this advice from me. If you fail to do so, now you go get hurt. One then just pass. Gather youth. Find big stick. Block the whole road. Or dig the road. Dig that road that vehicle cannot pass. Maybe after that day you can cover the road back. You can mobilize boys, men, women, dig the road if you do not have big stick to cross the road, so that when they come, we will battle them, and then they run to go back. We will keep pursuing them until they reach that point of no crossing, and we go stay there and finish them. This is what you will do for us. Everybody, your hand must be on deck, because if you fail to do this and they are going back with their dead body, now you go pay the penalty.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch the video and listen for waiting to the talk, I will remember one thing, say this channel, we are not here to promote anybody, or we are not here to give credit to anybody at all. But what we are bringing you here is what is happening all over the world, in Nigeria, in Biafra territory, in Nigeria, whatever that's happening, we bring it. We don't carry Nigeria Army's news. We don't carry every news that come up. So regarding this, that this Biafra Liberation Army is saying, I want you to leave your own contribution on comment section regarding this, and also share this video so that other people can as well hear what they are saying and also hear their voice as well. So expect your own video to come up here, because we'll bring all videos. Like example, that we are gotten an information today that that Nigeria Army said they have invaded one ESN and what are they calling? Is it ESN and IPOB camp in Anambra State. So they capture camera showing some things they have captured. So we are going to bring the picture up as well for you guys to see as well what they said they captured in that area as well. So I want you to share this video, and also follow our Facebook page as well, and subscribe to this channel. So let's continue. You know, in this struggle of Biafra is really taking another shape entirely. If we watch closely what is happening, but the tone of so many people, myself, I strongly believe that Mazen and the Carlo have a very big role to play in this particular, because so many people have lost some hope on Biafra. I'm telling you the truth. So many people, thousands of people have been confused by their enemy, and they're finally speaking on the tune of their enemy. So that's why people like us are here to tell you the facts and bring you the information of what is happening, without fearing nobody and without regard to anything. What we bring is information of things that are happening, and look around and bring you the update for you to know what is going on. So you make up your own mind of where you are and where you belong. That is all.